Hello students, in my previous video I will describe about heat as the form of energy which gives sensation of warmth, and in terms of molecular vibration we can define heat as a sum of kinetic energy present in molecule of the substance is called heat. And we also discuss about the factors on which heat energy depends. Heat energy present in body depends upon number of molecules or mass of that substance and average kinetic energy of the molecules. Heat is measured by calorimeter. SI unit of heat is joule and CGS unit of heat is calorie. Now today we discuss about the effect of heat. One of the most important effect of heat causes a rise in temperature takes place. And here we discuss about what is temperature. In our surrounding, several types of goods are found. Some objects or goods are hotter and some are colder. That degree of hotness or coldness of body is called temperature. And today we discuss about temperature. And we can define temperature as a degree of hotness or coldness of the body, or is called temperature. Temperature helps to compare which objects are hotter or colder. The object having higher temperature are hotter than cold objects, and it is the effect of heat. Like a heat causes change in temperature takes place. When we give heat energy to the body, then kinetic energy of the molecule increases, which increase average kinetic energy of the molecules, and as a result temperature increases. That temperature can be defined according to molecular vibration. According to molecular vibration or according to kinetic theory of molecules, we can define temperature as a average of the kinetic energy of molecules present in matter or present in the body is called temperature. Listen, heat is the sum of kinetic energy of the molecule present in matter, then temperature is the average of the kinetic energy of the molecules present in matter. Suppose we consider any object, or here we take any object which is made up of n number of molecules. Kinetic energy of that object is Ke1, Ke2 dot dot kinetic energy of nth molecule given. And according to this definition, temperature is denoted by T, can be measured by sum of kinetic energy of first molecule to sum of kinetic energy of nth molecule divided by n. That average is arithmetic mean. By adding kinetic energy of the molecules, and then we divide by number of molecule, which is called temperature. Temperature can be measured by, or it is measured by, using thermometer. Thermometer is the name of device which is used to measure the temperature of a body or a degree of hotness of the body, and that thermometer expresses temperature in different units, and SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. That Kelvin is also represented by simply K. Other units are, or other units of temperature are Celsius, Fahrenheit, or simply F, Celsius denoted by simply C, like that. These are common other units of temperature. And here we describe about that here what are the relationship among these different temperature and simple structure of thermometer. And here we write thermometer. Thermometer is made up of cylindrical or prismatic glass tube having bulb which remains filled by liquid which is known as thermometric liquid. And here capillary remains elaborated inside the cylindrical glass tube, and after that calibration is found related to type of here given here. And in this way, when heat energy are absorbed by thermometric liquid, then it expands, and up to which level it get rise up, which is known as temperature of that object. And here we define temperature as a thermometer as a the device used to measure temperature of the body, object or body is called thermometer. Thermometer mainly contains two parts. That narrow part which remains filled with thermometric liquid is called bulb, and here it is called steam. And how we measure the temperature of body? That bulb kept in object, and heat present in object causes rise in temperature of thermometric liquid takes place, and corresponding measurement calibration on steam of thermometer or glass tube of thermometer help to measure the temperature of object. And here we discuss about what is thermometric liquid. Listen. Thermometric liquid is the liquid used inside the liquid filled in the tube of or bulb of thermometer is called thermometric liquid. And mainly two substances are used as a thermometric liquid. What are these here? Either alcohol or mercury used as a thermometric liquid. These two substances are popular thermometric liquid. Other substance, other liquids like water can't be used as a thermometric liquid. That is mainly due to, here we write, properties of thermometric liquid. Listen. And here these two type of thermometric liquids having different properties, like a properties of firstly alcohol. Listen. Alcohol is transparent liquid and can be colored, and here we write it is transparent liquid and can be colored into different color. Other here, alcohol is highly sensitive to heat. That is, a small change in temperature can increase the volume of alcohol. Therefore, it is called highly sensitive to heat. If substance resists that small fraction of change in temperature, then can't be used as a thermometric liquid. But here alcohol is highly sensitive. Even a small change in temperature can result the increase in volume of alcohol in the tube. Other is here its expansion and contraction rate is uniform. When rise in temperature takes place, then alcohol get expand in volume. When fall in temperature takes place, then contract in volume. The same change in volume takes place in certain degree of increase or decrease of temperature. If volume of alcohol increases by increasing 1 degree Celsius, then same volume change takes place or decrease when temperature of alcohol decreases by 1 degree Celsius. Other properties of alcohol is like a freezing point and boiling points boiling point of alcohol are minus 115 degrees Celsius and 78 degrees Celsius respectively. It means what? It can measure a range of temperature from minus 115 to 78 degrees Celsius, or least temperature can be measured up to minus 115 degrees Celsius, or up to that is here given low temperature can be measured, and due to that reason here alcohol thermometer preferred in cold region. Why? Because it can measure temperature from minus 115 degrees Celsius, and that boiling point is only 78 degrees Celsius. Therefore, we can write alcohol thermometer can't be used to measure temperature of boiling water. Why it is so? Because boiling water having temperature 100 degrees Celsius, but before 100 degrees Celsius alcohol get vaporizes, therefore can't be used as a or alcohol thermometer can't be used to measure temperature of boiling water. Another type of thermometric liquids are here. Liquid is mercury. And here we discuss about properties of mercury. Mercury is liquid metal, and here it is bright liquid metal. Due to that reason, easily observed in tube of thermometer, or easily measure the temperature of substance. It is non-sticky to the glass tube, non-adhesive to the glass tube, therefore does not wet the wall of your thermometer. Other is here it is highly sensitive to heat. It is also highly sensitive to heat, but less sensitive than alcohol. Alcohol is more sensitive than mercury. After that here, its uniform, its contraction and expansion rate is same, or also we can write uniform, and its freezing point and boiling points are minus 39 degrees Celsius and 357 degrees Celsius, or it can measure temperature from minus 39 to 357 degrees Celsius. It can measure higher temperature. Alcohol thermometer can measure lower temperature, therefore preferred in cold region, and it can measure up to 357 degrees Celsius, therefore it is our mercury thermometer preferred in hot region and used to measure temperature of boiling water. Listen, due to that reason, our mercury thermometer is used to measure temperature of boiling water. Why? Because boiling point of mercury is high, 357 degrees Celsius, and therefore it is used for it. And here we compare that different scale of temperature. A scale of temperature like a degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin. These three are most popular scale of temperature in which, listen here, what are the different temperature corresponding like a scale, melting point of ice or freezing point of your water, boiling point of water and interval here. In how many interval that scale is divided. In degree Celsius, melting point of ice is 0 degree Celsius. In Fahrenheit, 32. In Kelvin, 273 Kelvin. Boiling point of water is in Celsius 100, in Fahrenheit 212 and in Kelvin 373. In this way it is divided into 100 equal interval, 180 equal interval, 100 equal interval. This table helps to establish a relationship among different scale of temperature, and we can derive the relation as a among different scale of temperature. Listen, at first that relation help to convert one scale of temperature to another scale. At first Celsius, lower end point is C minus 0. It is divided into 100 equal parts. Listen. After that, next is here Fahrenheit minus. Lower end point is 32. It is divided into 180 equal parts. Other in Kelvin, it has a lower fixed point 273. It is divided into 100 equal parts. This is called relationship among different scale of temperature. And also we can write or C by, we can take LCM from these. 20 becomes 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9 equal to K minus 273 by 5. This relationship help to measure or convert one scale of temperature to another, like a normal human body temperature. In degree Celsius or it is equal to 37 degrees Celsius and 98.6 degree Fahrenheit here given. And we can convert degree Celsius into Fahrenheit by this relation. In the next video, we discuss about other terms like anomalous expansion, heat equation, and calorimetry, different mathematical problems related to heat. Thank you.